The 2026 Hummer motorhome combines luxurious comfort, off-road prowess, and bold flair. This massive, fully equipped RV redefines mobile life for travelers who demand luxury and elegance with military-grade ruggedness and smart home sophistication. Off-road supremacy, exterior design. The Hummer motorhome's strong attitude, powerful chassis, and LED lights distinguish it. Amazing torque and precision handling come from this beast's all-electric drivetrain, quad-motor AWD, and reinforced all-terrain chassis. The vehicle's advanced adaptive suspension adjusts height and stiffness for freeways, rocky treks, and snowy backroads. Large all-terrain tires, underbody skid plates, and roof-mounted solar charging system prepare it for extensive wilderness trips while turning heads. Interior, uncompromising comfort. Enter the 2026 Hummer motorhome for luxury and space. Sustainable wood accents, eco-leather upholstery, and brushed metal finishes create a rugged yet elegant interior. All interior spaces are intended for comfort, durability, and mobility. The living room. Living rooms with open concepts are relaxing and enjoyable. A 55-inch smart TV with surround sound, a sumptuous U-shaped sofa that converts into a bed, and panoramic windows with privacy tint glass and retractable shades are provided. A built-in fireplace heater makes this room great for relaxing after a day of exploration. Master bedroom RV back bedrooms are quiet and private. Features include a queen-size memory foam bed, extra wardrobe storage, touchscreen lighting controls, and dual USB-C wireless charging ports. Natural light and starry skies come from skylights. Kitchen/dining kitchen is for full-time cooking and living. This unit has an induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator with freezer, microwave convection oven, deep sink with purified water, and solid surface counters with fold-out extensions. With built-in plugs and satellite internet, the 4-person dining booth across from the kitchen may be used for work or gaming. Toilet shower. A modern full-size shower with adjustable water pressure and LED lighting, a high-efficiency toilet, and a spacious vanity with a mirrored medicine cabinet are in the bathroom. Tile-style flooring and waterproof walls make the space appealing and functional. Outside mudroom showers clean off after outdoor activities. Technology and smart features. The Hummer motorhome's advanced management system controls lighting, temperature, entertainment, security, door locks, water, power, and solar panel performance. Smartphone apps, wall-mounted touchscreens, and voice commands control it. Powerful lithium battery packs, solar panels, and an optional hydrogen fuel cell backup system enable comfortable off-grid living. Utility, safety. Hummer motorhomes value safety and versatility. 360-degree cameras, parking assist, thermal night vision, autonomous driving aid, anti-theft security, and motorcycle ATV trailer roof rack tow package.